What's up, y'all? Freddy Voodoo here. That's me. This is gonna be a quick video because in this video, um, I'm gonna be doing a shout out to a few of my YouTube homies who I haven't seen in a long time, and I really miss talking to them. And the first shout out I'm gonna give to is Lunk, and um. He's an awesome guy. I he hasn't been making videos for a long time, but he's still subscribed to my channel. I'd also like to give another shout out to my other homies. Let's see. Freezing Snowstorm, Lunk, uh, and Omelette. Y'all are awesome. And and I'd also like to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for making my channel more popular and always commenting and always liking my videos. So I just want to give a shout out to three of my YouTube homies. So guys, if you're listening to this, I miss you. I love you guys. Y'all are my homies, and I wish you guys would come back and would start commenting on my YouTube videos because I miss you guys. You guys are like my homies. And, yeah, that's about it. So I just wanted to say I miss you guys. I miss talking to you guys on YouTube. And yeah, that's about it. As for my other subscribers, thank you all for making my channel more popular. Even though it's not quite popular, but I hope sometime in the near future it will be popular. Cause I just have a funny feeling that it will be popular. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go. Happy Friday. Have a good weekend, and I will see you all soon. And every single day on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I put out new videos every week, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss it. And thank you for checking back, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye-bye.